Hello everybody, this is Misty and we are going to read the book Katie Woo. This is Katie and it's entitled The Best Season Ever and is by Fran Manushkin. Oh, I love Katie. She's pretty cool. And this is a chapter book. We have 3 chapters. The first one is called Springtime. The second chapter is Favorite Seasons. And the third chapter is Katie Makes Up Her Mind. Chapter 1. Springtime. It was springtime. Bluebirds were singing and tulips were blooming their heads off. This is my favorite season, yelled Katie. No more winter coats. I like winter, said Pedro. I miss sledding and tossing snowballs. I'd rather throw beach balls, Jojo said. Summer's a lot more fun. No, said Katie firmly. Spring is best. It's not too hot, not too cold. It's perfect for jumping rope and roller skating. But summer is more tasty, Jojo insisted. I love roasting hot dogs and eating ice cream. You can eat ice cream and hot dogs anytime, said Katie. But you can only see apple blossoms in spring. Well, she is correct about that. Chapter 2. Favorite Seasons. Katie climbed the apple tree to smell the blossoms. When she climbed down, Katie said, Autumn is my second favorite season. I love Halloween. Trick-or-treating is great, agreed Pedro, and running around kicking a soccer ball. Running barefoot in the sand at the beach is better, said Jojo. Summer is more fun at night, too. You can see fireflies. And bugs that bite, yelled Pedro. And shooting stars, said Katie. And stinging jellyfish, groaned Pedro. Race you, yelled Katie. The 3 friends ran like the wind. When they reached a puddle, Katie gave it a kick. Pedro, isn't this fun? Spring is much better than winter, yelled Katie. Why are you so stubborn? Who's stubborn, yelled Pedro. He gave the puddle such a big kick that water splashed on Katie's face. You did that on purpose, Katie yelled. No, I didn't, Pedro insisted. As he began running away, he dropped his book. He bent down to pick it up. Ribbit, shouted Jojo, jumping over him. Let's play leapfrog. Ribbit, Pedro croaked, leaping over Jojo. Chapter 3. Katie Makes Up Her Mind. Katie began jumping rope. It was fun showing off, jumping faster and faster. Whoops! Katie tripped and fell down, right on top of Pedro and Jojo. Their arms and legs got all tangled up. Look at us, Jojo giggled. We are an octopus. Katie, did you do that on purpose? Asked Pedro. No, Katie insisted, but this is on purpose. She picked 4 wild daffodils and gave them to Pedro and Jojo. Oh, that was so kind. Thanks, they said. Guess what? Katie told them, I've made up my mind. All of the seasons are fun when I'm with you. For sure, Pedro and Jojo agreed. Let's go to my house for hot chocolate, Katie said. Cold chocolate ice cream tastes better, teased Pedro. And they joked about it all the way home. Now remember, sometimes in chapter books, they have different words that maybe you're not very familiar with. And so this is where we look and see that they have a glossary. There are words, the lighter colored words, and then they have how you would pronounce them, like autumn, barefoot. And then it has the definitions. So remember, a lot of times when you're talking about a chapter book, they'll have a glossary in the back, and then the chapters are listed in the front. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is autumn. So I hope that you enjoyed this book as much as I did reading it to you. Bye-bye from Miss D.